Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to switch back to a personal account on Instagram. A personal Instagram account lets you use all of the platform's basic features. You can still upload posts, reels, IGTV videos, and stories. But you can't monitor how your posts are performing or have access to in-depth analytics. Professional Instagram accounts are further categorized in two types of professional accounts: business and Instagram creator accounts. These accounts give you access to a treasure trove of creator-friendly tools, including insights and promotions. So, now that you know what kinds of Instagram accounts you have access to, let's talk over how to switch between them. First things first, switching your Instagram account from business to personal isn't rocket science. Switching to an Instagram business profile or back to a personal account involves a few simple steps and takes less than 5 minutes. The difficult part comes when you're thinking about whether you should make the switch in the first place. But if you've already made up your mind, here are the steps to switch back to your personal Instagram profile. Go to Instagram app, tap on the three lines, go to your Instagram business profile, then tap on the settings or select account from the menu. Select here and then scroll down to switch account type. Choose switch to personal account and read the pop-up and confirm the switch. If you've ever tried changing your Instagram account from business to personal, you've likely come across a warning message. If you haven't, you'll see it here. It explains how you can't use some of the app's features on your personal account. To some people, the loss of insights might not be a big deal, but to professional brands and businesses that use Instagram as a main social media marketing platform, it can be disastrous. The final choice between a personal and business account depends on your needs and preferences. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.